Hi, today I will show you how to use the new Math Notes calculator in the iOS 18 update. To use the Math Notes feature on an iPhone with the latest iOS update, start by opening the calculator app. You can either access it from your home screen, or if you have a shortcut in the control center, swipe down and tap the calculator icon there. Once the app is open, look at the bottom left corner and tap the Calculator Options button. This will bring up three choices. Select the one labeled Math Notes. After that, a Notes page will open. To get started, create a new note. You can type in any math equation, like 2 plus 2, and the answer will automatically appear. There's also a pencil option that lets you write equations by hand. For instance, if you write 1 plus 1 equals, the answer will display instantly. This feature makes solving equations quick and easy directly from the calculator app. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel and will help me making more videos like this.